This homemade mango ice cream is pure summer in every spoonful, silky, creamy, bursting with juicy mango flavor, and so luscious it melts the second it touches your tongue. Super easy and so delicious. Start by taking a saucepan. Add 2 cups of milk powder, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of milk. Whisk everything really well, no lumps. Now put it on the stove on medium flame. Keep stirring, and I mean don't stop, for about 5 minutes, until the mixture thickens up like this. Once it's done, let it cool down to room temperature first, and then chill it completely in the fridge. Next, transfer it to a blender. Add 2 cups of mango chunks. I'm saving about half a cup for garnish later. Now blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy. At this stage, I'm adding 2 cups of chilled whipping cream. You can whip it separately if you want, but I found it super convenient to just blend it all together. Look at that texture, creamy and airy. Now pour the mixture into your ice cream tub. I always use this one because it's easy to scoop from later. Cover the surface with cling film, press it gently so there's no air inside. This step is important. It helps prevent ice crystals and keeps the ice cream smooth like store-bought. Seal the tub with a lid and freeze it for 2 hours, just until it starts to set. After 2 hours, take it out, remove the cling film, and gently place the mango chunks you saved earlier right on top. Now that the ice cream has started to firm up, the chunks won't sink to the bottom. Totally optional, but I like to drizzle a little whipped cream on top for that extra creamy goodness. Now seal it up again and freeze it for 10 to 12 hours or overnight. Mine took a bit longer because it's so hot these days, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Once it's fully set, just scoop it out and serve. This is homemade creamy mango heaven in a bowl. Try it out and let me know how it turns out for you. Take care and happy cooking.